Hi guys, David Campanile here, owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate. As always, if you'd like to set up a free strategy session with me, contact me at njestateattorney.com. I'd love to sit down with you for some time and let's start your estate planning process. And I also like to answer any and all questions concerning estate planning or probate. So today's topic is, I guess it's going to come across as a little morbid, but I find it kind of intriguing. I wanted to talk to you guys today about burial instructions. So this is something that I noticed with estate plans that seems to kind of be lost with estate planning. So what do I mean by burial instructions? So you have the opportunity when you've created an estate plan, if there is a certain way that you want your services to be held, if you want to go to a certain location, if there's a cemetery plot, a mausoleum, do you not even want to have a funeral? Do you just want to be cremated, no services, no nothing? So you really have a lot of power here because you could also nominate the person that's going to handle all of these following your instructions. So basically you're naming I like to call a burial representative that is going either to the funeral home on your behalf or wherever you're choosing to be have your services, and is going to basically provide and follow your instructions that you've left. You could even leave these with the funeral parlor. Some people even prepay for services, wanting cheaper rates now and not putting the burden on their families down the road, as we understand these funeral expenses can cost thousands and thousands of dollars. And the interesting thing about these burial instructions is you can get very detailed and get caught up in the minutia of everything, to the point where, do you want to be embalmed? Do you not want to be embalmed? Do you want to be cremated? How do you want where do you want your cremated ashes to be held? How do you want to be how do you want those ashes to be spread? What kind of, if you want to open casket, what kind of clothing do you want to wear? What do you want to put in the casket with you? Where will the viewing and wake be held? Jewelry that you may be wearing? What kind of flowers you want? Who the pallbearers are? I mean, the list it's pretty detailed if you want to get into that. You can even go into, do you want a memorial service? Do you want some sort of monument or marker? What do you want these items to say? Do you want some sort of a repast or party afterwards? And who do you want speaking? Who do you not want speaking? I mean, these can get really nitty-gritty, detailed things, and the best part about these is you can always change them. I highly in estate planning, you may just want to go back and make sure, hey, I didn't have a falling out with that person. I had a falling out with Uncle Toby, who I wanted speaking at my funeral. Now I just want to take him off. I don't want him speaking anymore. And these aren't really legal documents. It's kind of more instructional. So basically this is more, you would sign these documents, your attorney would sign them, and your attorney could hold on to them and provide them to the family. You can leave them with your estate planning documentation, or like I said, if you're going to a funeral parlor or you have some sort of funeral director, you can leave the instructions with them. So yes, a little morbid, but I find this one of the, I would say, lost documents in estate planning that not as many people are doing anymore, especially at a younger age. Usually you don't think about these things until you're much older. But as always, if you want to set up a free strategy session with me to discuss estate planning or probate, any topics regarding estate planning or probate, contact me at njestateattorney.com. I'd love to sit down with you, discuss your estate plan, or if you have any questions pertaining to this video. If you like this video, please click subscribe. If you're on YouTube, if you're on Facebook, please follow us, like our page. We're trying to put out content daily. I'm actually on a break right now during the New Jersey State Bar Association's 2021 virtual conference, so I just wanted to jump in and go live for a little while. And as always, my name is David Campanile. I'm the owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate.